Okay, hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a technology or say a powerful force that is reshaping our world, artificial intelligence, or the AI. It's no secret that AI holds incredible potential to solve some of the biggest challenges we face, especially the realm of sustainability. From the optimizing energy usage to monitoring ecosystems. AI has already begun to transfer how we care for our planet. Well, I've already expressed three of the problems, or say the three of the biggest problems that AI face in the real life. The first one is high energy consumption. Secondly, electronic wasting and resources depletion. And finally, the ethical and social challenges. And today I'm going to bring some of the solutions instead of the questions. The first solution lies in how we design AI system. Many of the most advanced AI modules today requires, we can say, enormous computational power, but researchers are already developing more energy efficient algorithms through methods like module compressions, pruning, and also federated learning. These technologies reduce the size and complexities of modules, make them faster and less power hungry without sacrificing the performance. Additionally, running AI modules on data centers powered by the renewable energies, such as solars, wind, or water, which is hydro, it is becoming more feasible. Tech giants and governments alike need to invest in this green infrastructures to reduce the AI's carbon footprint. Secondly is the sustainable hardware design. AI isn't just use the software, it runs on the very advanced hardware. And that hardware has a cost. Specialized chips, just like GPUs, requires rare earth metals, which are limited and environmentally damaging in mining. But there's hope. We have three solutions. First one is design the modular hardware that can be upgraded part by part, reducing the waste, which is separating different hardwares to different parts. And also we can use recyclable and eco-friendly materials in the production for the AI components. Finally, we can support the research into alternative materials that are both efficient, effective, and sustainability. By making the hardware last longer and pollute less, we address a big part of AI's environmental costs. And thirdly, fear, it's according to the fair and ethical AI for all. Sustainability is not just about the environment, it's also about equality. AI system must be designed in benefits all people fairly, without bias or discriminations. This means use diverse representative data sets and building different systems that are transparent and accountable is very important. Open source initiatives and international collaborations can help build AI tools that serve the global good. Tools that support environmental justice, fair resource distribution, and also inclusive development. For the fourth part, also the last one, is the strong governance and policies. This is also very important to support AI's development and solving the AI's problems. We need the policies and regulations that guide AI in the right directions. Government should implement different frameworks, for example, that requires environmental impact assessment for large-scale AI projects and promotes the corporate responsibility in AI's development. Additionally, it's also need to ensure AI system that's aligned with long-term sustainability goals, not just the short-term profit. With the right rules in place, we can ensure that AI is used responsibly, ethically, and sustainably. To conclusion, AI is a double-edged sword, just like the title of my essay. But it does not have to be. If we act now to develop efficiency modules, sustainable hardware, ethical system, and also strong policies, we can turn AI into one of the greatest tools for protecting our planet and creating a better future for all. That's all of my presentation. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Peter, for your thank you very much for your presentation. So stand by for a question from Professor Laird.
Okay.
Thank you, Peter, for your presentation. It's very insightful and informative. My question has to do with so great presentation on environmental sustainability and AI. Question about autonomy of countries. So question about the digital divide. So countries that have capital resources to put into AI versus countries that don't have those capital resources. And how do we ensure environmental responsibility in the expansion of AI, but also ensure that those countries that maybe don't have the same resources can continue to advance and develop and provide opportunities for all citizens within their countries? So balancing those things.
Well, I think one of the most important points to achieve this target is to, we can say, to sell. In fact, it's not really possible for the government and the companies to public their technologies for free. So they need to. It's better for them to sell their core technologies and also provide the solutions that adapted to these AI systems. So I know it's not don't have a great possibility, but it's still most efficiency solutions. And also the technology countries just like China and America, they have all already published a lot of their technologies, and also they already hired the technology scientists that comes from different countries. They can provide a bit of a contribution to their native or say to the AI technology of their own countries. For example, there are 13% of the scientists in China is from other countries. That's studying AI. So these kind of scientists can also bring the advanced technology from China to their own country and make a contribution to the sustainability of their area and citizens.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's a good question. We need to always keep in mind that AI is a resource that there's a technology and a resource that needs to be shared because it can solve problems for the entire planet. We need to think that we are living on one planet. And remember that. Howard Lin, have you a question for Peter?
Hi, Peter. Yeah, I like your presentation. You don't just have a knowledge, but also have a solution already for us. Let's just talk about one solution you proposed. That is a strong governance and regulation. Okay. In the U.S., Vice President Vance this year in February went to Paris. There's a summit, right? So supposed to be a collaborative consultation, dialogue about AI governance. But Mr. Vance suggests that it is actually the heavy regulation will kill AI. So this sounds like his only concern. He talked about innovation, technology innovation. So doesn't really need a heavy policy, strong policy. So I give you this tough question. Now, suppose, Peter, you get a chance to meet Vice President Vance. How can you convince him he's wrong and you're right?
Well, the question is mainly about how to balance, seek a balance between the innovation of the AI technology and also the regulations, right?
Mhm.
Yes, I have to say, it's really a great questions, and the one of the best solution in my mind is to separate the technology team or the organizations and the the AI companies that's producing the AI related products. To separate these two, we can only give two whole system of regulation and policies to different groups. Like we make great supervise on the AI products, which ensure the publicity and responsibility of the use to make sure it's fairly good about or say benefits to everyone's profit. And we give a single regulations on the technology part to make sure or say guarantee they can produce more advanced AI technology and keep innovate in the future. So I think it's better to separate them into two parts instead of just talk them in the same group. So it's more efficiency for the future.
Thank you, Peter.
Excellent answers, Peter, to both questions. Thank you very, very much.